With the flywheel model, customers are the focus, surrounded by the marketing, sales, and service provided by your company. You initially attract customers with relevant content. Build that bond by keeping them engaged and delight them by providing a great customer experience. This in return attracts more customers, and the cycle continues. Consumers begin as strangers and become prospects through the implementation of content, and with constant engagement convert into customers. They ultimately become promoters and share their experience. There are three driving factors around the flywheel. First, there's the force. What you put into the flywheel to get it spinning. This includes any content that is relevant to the customer. Next, there's friction, which slows down the flywheel. This includes anything that makes the customer experience difficult or unenjoyable, such as poor customer service. Then there's weight. With more customers, the flywheel gets bigger and the faster it spins. As the force and weight increases and friction decreases, the wheel accelerates and your business grows, with the customer at the center of it all.